So we're going to take a spelling pretest for Adelina's Whales. You will not be tested on this until not this Friday, but the following week. Go ahead and go to your very first available page in your literacy notebook. Write today's date on the top left, which would be 02/23/21. Title it Spelling Pretest, Adelina's Whales. Number your page from 1 to 25. I will say the word. I will say it in a sentence, and then I will say it one more time. Now, know that the words this week are homophones, meaning the word sounds the same, but it's spelled differently and it's used in different contexts. So you'll be very careful in listening to how the word is being used in a sentence. Okay, so number one, here we go, is two. Number one is two. I got 2 presents for my birthday. The word is two. Number 2 is 2. Nataka went to the store for school supplies. The word is to, going to the store. Number 3 is also to, but it's used in a sentence like this. I ate too much pizza and got a stomachache. That is too much. Number 4 is piece. Listen how it's in a sentence. Fold a piece of paper in half. Piece. Number 5 is also peace, but it's used differently. We all wish for peace in the world. Peace. Number 6 and number 7 is break, but listen how they're used in the sentence. 6 is, did you break the dish? That's break. But then the other brake is, the brake is on the handlebar on a bicycle. Brake. Number 8, 9, and 10 are all there, but listen how it's used in a sentence, okay? So number 8, there are 30 students in his class. There are 30 students in his class. Number 9 is, we are going to stay at their house today. We are going to stay at their house today. And number 10 is their. They are not in school this week. They are not in school this week. Number 11 and 12 are through, but there's 2 different ways to use it and 2 different spellings. Number 11 as through would, who threw the ball? That's number 11. 12 is, we hiked through the woods. That's number 12. Number 13 and 14 are both by, but listen how they're used in a sentence. The bus went right by us. By. And 14 is by. I said bye and hung up the phone. Bye or goodbye. Number 15 and 16 are beat. Listen how it's used in the sentence. The music has a good beat. Okay. And number 16 is, she added a nice red beet to the salad. Or, do you like red beets? A vegetable. 17 and 18 are both thrown. Listen how it's used. Number 17 is, the pitcher has thrown 2 strikes. Thrown. Number 18 is, the queen sat on her throne. 19 and 20 are both allowed. Listen how they're used. 19 is, he read the letter aloud. And number 20 is, we are not allowed to go to the movies. Allowed. Here are your challenge words. 21 and 22 are both principal, but it's the way they're used. Number 21, the teachers met with the principal of the school. Principal. 22 is, my main principle is to treat everyone with respect. Principle, a main principle. 23 and 24 are both symbol. Okay. 23 is, on maps, a pine tree is a symbol for a forest. Symbol. 24 is, the drummer hit the cymbal with a drumstick. So this is a musical instrument. Cymbal. 25 and 26 are both stationary. 25 is, he rode a stationary bike inside during the winter. And 26 is, I wrote a letter using a pen and fancy stationery. All right. Hopefully you will have this done before we meet at 9:45 so that we can go over these. I will see you guys then.